Hello from Thailand. Ayan, dito sa Thailand pag hapon. Currently here in Rangnam Street. This is where we stay. If you're looking for something to eat ngayon, merienda. There are coffee shops here. Spas. A lot more.
Tara, KM! Andito pa rin kami sa Bangkok during Songkran and today, we're heading out from our hotel streets all the way to Silom. We started just outside Picnic Hotel Bangkok. Simple streets, everyday life, pero ramdam mo na agad yung energy building up. Habang naglalakad ka, unti-unti nang dumarami yung tao. Parang everyone's heading somewhere and you just go with the flow. Tuk-tuks everywhere, traffic, ingay, tawanan, classic Bangkok, but amplified because of Songkran. Then we reached Silom and this is where everything changes. Basaan, sigawan, music, people everywhere. We're lang strangers dito, lahat kasama sa celebration. After all that, food break muna, we went to my boyfriend's favorite Japanese spot, comfort food after the madness. Lahat yan masarap, hindi naman i-recommend yan ng boyfriend ko kung hindi, diba? Siyempre, balik kami sa basaan, you don't even think anymore. You just laugh, dodge water, and enjoy the chaos. Then dessert sa mixwe and kyo roll end. Something sweet, something cold, perfect pang reset. Sarap yan, grabe. Ang saya-saya ng Bangkok tuwing Songkran. Sana ma-experience nyo rin to. Kaya tuwing Songkran, make sure na makabisita kayo. Of course, hindi pwedeng walang potato corner for snacks, may bonchon, para may konting Pilipinas pa rin kahit nasa Bangkok. Even yung nightlife dito talaga namang hindi matatawaran. It's like New Year's Eve celebration at fiesta sa San Juan. Yun na nga, nabasa na yung mahal ko. And then we met fellow Filipinos. Bigla na lang may connection. Kwentuhan, tawanan.
Mga Pinoy pala to. Hi guys!
Ang liit ng mundo, di ba? Songkran isn't just a festival. It's a feeling shared with strangers, turned into memories. And somehow that makes every trip a little more meaningful. Love, M.